Oh.
Made the first man miss, spun around, but Johnson and Everett finished him off.
All right, it's about 40 degrees outside. Yesterday it was what? What was it yesterday? Last night it was 75. So we had to bring all the plants in, do all that. Let's do it. Debo's driving. He driving, little doggy. You driving? Yeah, he driving. He gonna drive with his little doggy.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear it. Yeah. You hear me?
I'm not getting any static, so I'm just making sure you can hear.
Yeah, I'm over there. I can see those different guys.
Mr. Litton.
I'm not missing it. All right, little doggy. You come here, little doggy.
They sponsor our fourth down efforts because Can Do comes in red. There's the snap. He wants to throw.
All right, here's the netting stuff that was on that bale. So it doesn't take a lot, but it holds it real good. Isn't that right, Tua, mine? Come on, Tua. I'm gonna take this off at you. Girl, right there. She's so pretty, Mom. Watch out, Miss Quinn. I'm gonna get by. Some cows. A bad little doggy. I'm gonna go forward with it. I hope it'll come on. There we go. Yeah, I think they're pretty happy. All right, everybody. Like I said, that's a wrap. Got them taken care of. It's gonna be 20-something tonight, so they should be good with a new bale. So otherwise, we good. So thanks for tuning in, and we will see y'all next time. All right, y'all. See you later. Bye, Mr. Litzy. Tell them bye, Litzy. See you later, little doggy. Okay. See y'all later. Bye-bye.